Friends, what's up? Hope you are fine now. Friends, in this video we have a look of Zilliqa coin. What's the price change goes and Zilliqa crypto? What's the high price of Zilliqa and what is the currently status of Zilliqa and cryptocurrency markets? In this video I will show you with a live proof. So before starting this interesting video, if you're new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Now let's start the video. First of all, we look the price prediction of Zilliqa coin of the last 1 week. What's the price change goes and the last 1 week. What's the price change in the last 7 days. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is a live price prediction of the last 1 week and last 7 days. The change occur in Zilliqa is positive 5.41% change occur in Zilliqa in the last 7 days, and the high price of Zilliqa coin is about $0.224829 is the high price of Zilliqa coin in the period of last 7 days. So friends, if we look the chart analysis of the Zilliqa coin, so as you can see here on the 4th April, the high explosion day of Zilliqa, they take a high jump on the 4th April, and after a 5th and 6th April they continuously falling down gradually they recovered the jump of the 4th April, as you can see here, and after 8th April they again are exploding, start explosion, as you can see here, and now and the 9 April is a good day of Zilliqa coin, they start explosion in these days. Now let's see the last 1 day price prediction. I know they are also in positive because they start explosion. Oh my god, it says I told you same like that. As you can see here, the average change occur in Zilliqa coin as positive 5.78. First devil, they're happy my heart at this time. I'm very happy to see the change occur in Zilliqa because I'm also holder of Zilliqa. What's your opinion about this change? My impression is very good. I'm feeling very happy to look this change. Friends, the high price of Zilliqa is $0.218105 is the high price of Zilliqa in the last 1 day. If we look the chart analysis of Zilliqa coin, so as you know, the high explosion day in now they are also in explosion mood. Now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. After that, we decide that it's time to buy, sell, or hold Zilliqa coin. As you can see here, the last 1 hour price prediction absolutely good chance. I'm very happy. I'm very happy today because today Zilliqa moves upward. The change occur in the last 1 hour is positive 1%. So my god, it's absolutely good news for me. And high price of Zilliqa coin as $0.216966 is the high price of Zilliqa coin. If we look the chart analysis of the Zilliqa coin, so at this time now they are also in the jumping mood, so maybe they goes up up more in the future, maybe they goes to moonshot. So what's your opinion about Zilliqa coin? My impression, my suggestion for all of Zilliqa holders, that if you want to hold it, absolutely it's a big opportunity to buy Zilliqa coin and make a good amount of profit. So if you are a holder, so please hold it. I'm also a holder, and I'm my plan to as that to I hold my Zilliqa coin with the last of this month. I'm goes to selling Zilliqa coin on 27-28 April. My suggestions for all of you to please hold your Zilliqa coin with the last of this month. And if you want to buy, a lot of people want to buy Zilliqa coin, so it's the best time for you to buy a Zilliqa coin. And if you want to sell it, so it's not a bad time to sell it. Please sell it. If you want to sell it, if you need a money, so please sell it and take your profit and go away from a market. And if you want to make a more money with Zilliqa coin, so please hold it. What's your opinion about Zilliqa coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.